Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So today's video is related to crop top, and I hope you will like these crop tops. And if you wanna get more ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. I have shared many ideas in this video. I hope you will like these ideas. And if you are new at my channel and want to see more designs related to any design, you can visit on my channel. I have shared many ideas related to every design, like heels, high heels, nails, and clothing, and different ideas and related to makeup. I have shared many videos on my channel. I hope you will like those ideas as well. And today's video is related to crop top. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and tell me in the comment section related to this video. And if you have any demand, any kind of demand, then write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible. These are the beautiful crop top that you can wear with the jeans and shorts and different kind of pants. So now let me to say, take care of yourself and your friends. Bye bye.